Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. In case you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe for updates. Neurons and the fibers, and this is of the cerebellum. So first we look at the Purkinje cells. The Purkinje cell, it conveys the output from the cerebral cortex. Then comes it projects the output, projects inhibitory outputs. And that is nothing but the gamma and aminobutyric acid, and this is to the cerebellar and the vestibular nuclei. Next it is excited by the parallel and the climbing fibers. It is inhibited by the basket cells as well as the stellate cells. Next we look at the granule cell. Granule cell, it excites the Purkinje cells, the basket cells, the stellate cells as well as the Golgi cells via the parallel fibers. Next is it is inhibited by the Golgi cells, and it is excited by the mossy fibers. What is the role of mossy fibers? It is for the excitatory purpose. Next is we look at the mossy fibers. So under the mossy fibers, what is a fiber? The fiber type is nothing but it is afferent and it is excitatory. So what is the tracts? The tracts, if you see, it is the spinocerebellar and the pontocerebellar. So it transmits the glutamate. So it is the glutamate which is transferred. The termination is on the granule cell, and they excite the granule cells to discharge via the parallel fibers. Next is the climbing fibers. The climbing fibers is it is afferent excitatory fibers. Excitement or excitatory fibers. The tract is the olivocerebellar, and the transmitter is a transmitter is on the neurons of the cerebellar nuclei and on the dendrites of the Purkinje cells, dendrites of the Purkinje cells. To learn and grow daily like this, please do subscribe.